श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्य कवितार्किकेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवोपास्महे ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवोपास्महे बुद्धविज्ञानघनस्वरूपं विज्ञानशानुमुक्तदेक्षं दयानिधिं देहभृतां शरण्यम् दिशन्तु मे देव सदा त्वदीयादयादरङ्गानिराकटाक्षाः श्रोत्रेषु पुंसामृतं क्षरन्तीं सरस्वतीं संसृतकामधेनुं विशेषवित्पारिषदेषु नाथ विदग्धगोष्ठी समराङ्गणेषु जिगीषु मे कवितार्केन्द्र युवाग्रसिंहासनमभिवेयाः व्याख्यामुद्रां करसरसिजय पुस्तकं शृङ्गचक्रे बिभ्रद्भिन्नस्फटिकरुचिरे मुदरीकेन षण्णः म्लानश्चेरमृतविशदैरं श्वेप्लावयन् माम् आविर्भूयात् जनकमहिमा मानसे वागधीशः 11th lesson Sambandhakarakam Shashti Vibhakti. Actually this Vibhakti and next Vibhakti are very much important in Sanskrit. Very often they are used. Okay? Very often they both are used. In this, what is Sambandhakarakam? Possessive case. They say in English, possessive case. The prepositions for this is very important. Of apostrophe yes, yes apostrophe and among. Among. These four prepositions are used in this for this vibhakti. This possessive case. What is this called? Possessive case. Of. Mainly of. Apostrophe S is for singular. S apostrophe is meant for plural. Among is meant for plural. Okay. Now, let me read the sentences. Okay. We'll read up to this. After this, let me read. In two parts, let me read. Then you all can read. So up to this one section, next another section. Okay, we'll read. Let me read, explain. Then you can read. Ramaha Dasharathasya putraha asti. Dasharathasya is Shashti. Before going to the lesson, I think that let us have some words, okay, in Shashti Vibhakti, so that you all will understand. Here it is given. Okay, let us do from the exercise. Write singular, dual, and plural of the following words in Shashti Vibhakti. Okay, let me do this here. First, let us see what is Shashti Vibhakti. Aja becomes Ajasya, Ajayoho, Ajana. Ajasya, Ajayoho, Ajana. Next, Vatika. Vatika is Strilinga Akarana. So, Vatika, Ya. Vatikayo. Vatikayo. Vatikana. Vatikana. Vatikayaha. Vatikayoho. Vatikana. Next. Again, Strilinga. Latayah. Latayo. Latayo. Latana. Now, Parvata. Parvatasya. Parvatayoho. Parvatayoho. Parvatana. Parvatana. Okay, last time. Vriksha. Vrikshasya. Vrikshayoho. Vrikshana. Okay. Vriksha. See the na. Okay. Nana. See the difference. Ajanam, Latanam, Vatikanam, Parvatanam, Vrikshanam. See the difference. Okay? So you should be careful. I have taught this how to use R and R. Okay? Okay. So I have taught you already. So all these things should be used. So let me read once again. Ajasya ajayoho ajana. Okay. Vatikayaha vatikayoho vatikana. Latayaha latayoho latana. Parvatasya parvatayoho parvatana. Vrikshasya vrikshayoho vrikshana. What's the meaning? Ajasya. Ajasya means, what is the proportion we have learned? What are the proportions for this? Of apostrophe S apostrophe and among. Okay, and ajasya. Of aja means goat. Aja means white goat. Okay, you know goat. Okay, not sheep, goat. So white goat. Of a white goat. White goats. Both we can do. Apostrophe S. Then ajayoho. Of two goats. Ajanam. Of many goats or among many goats. This apostrophe we have to use. Okay. Then Vatikayaha. Of Vatika or Vatikas. Vatika means garden. Okay. Vatikayaha. Of Vatika. Of a garden. Okay. Gardens. Vatikayoho. Of two gardens. Two gardens. Among two gardens. Okay. So this S, apostrophe S will come only for the singular. Okay. Whereas of apostrophe S, sorry, the third word S apostrophe and among will come for dual and plural. Of is common for all three. Of is common for all three. Okay. Of is common for all three. Apostrophe S is meant for only singular. Only singular. So this word is only singular. These two, okay, these two are common for Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam. These two are meant for Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam. Okay. So of is meant for all three, Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam. Apostrophe S is meant for only Ekavachanam. Apostrophe S apostrophe and among meant for Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam. Okay, make it very clear. Keep it in the mind. Okay, so Lataya, Vatikayaha, Latayaha of two. Lata means name of Lata, a girl called Lata or creeper. Now we take it as a girl. Latayaha of Lata or Latas. Okay. Latayoho of two Latas. Two Latas. Among two Latas. Latanam of Latas. Among many Latas. Okay. Parvatasya. Parvatayoho. Parvatana. Same way. Parvata means mountain. Parvatasya of a mountain. Mountains. Two meaning. Parvatasya means two meaning. Of a mountain or mountains. Parvatayoho of two mountains. Two mountains among two mountains. That is between two. Parvatanam of many mountains. Among many mountains. Then Vrikshasya. Vrikshasya of a tree. Trees. Vrikshayoho of two trees. Two trees. Among two trees. Vrikshanam of trees. Many trees. Okay. Of many trees. Among many trees. So this is applicable for all the words. Okay. So mainly what you should remember? Of. You have to remember of. Okay. Yeah, that's what of. The vibhakti, the main proportion of vibhakti is of. Okay. Now we go to the lesson. Okay, we go to the lesson. Okay, Ramah Dasharathasya putraha. Dasharathasya. Lakshmanaha Ramasya bhrata. Lakshmanaha Ramasya bhrata asti. Krishnaha Vasudevasya putraha. Krishnaha Vasudevasya putraha asti. Vibhishanaha Ravanasya anujaha asti. I will tell the meaning later. Okay. Vibhishanaha Ravanasya anujaha asti. Karnasya guruhu. Karnasya guruhu Parashuramaha. Karnasya guruhu Parashuramaha. Arjunasya janakaha Panduhu asti. Arjunasya janakaha Panduhu asti. Kalidasasya natakam Abhignana Shakuntalam. Janakasya putri Sita asti. Janakasya putri Sita asti. Then Strilinga now. Niveditayaha Guruhu Vivekanandaha. Niveditayaha Guruhu Vivekanandaha. Okay, let me tell the meaning. Okay. Ramaha Dasharathasya putraha. Ramaha Dasharathasya putraha. Ram is son of Dasharatha. Okay. Dasharatha. Okay. Yes, asti is there. So is. Lakshmanaha Ramasya bhrata asti. Lakshman was. Lakshman is brother of Ram. Of Ram. Okay, that is important. Next. Krishnaha Vasudevasya putraha. Krishna is son of Vasudeva. Okay, that's why it's called Vasudeva. Okay, that's why it's called Vasudeva. Okay. Vibhishanaha Ravanasya anujaha. Let me write. Okay. Vibhishanaha Ravanasya anujaha. Vibhishana brother of Ravana. Okay, you know younger brother, youngest brother of Ravana. Two brothers. Okay, Ravana has two younger brothers. Ravana had two younger brothers. Okay. Vibhishana is asti is there, so is. Karnasya guruhu Parashuramaha. Karna's guru. Karna, you know Karna? In Mahabharata, Karna's guru. Guru was Parashurama. Because it's not mentioned whether he is or was. Okay? Arjunasya janakaha Panduhu. Arjunasya janakaha. You all will note down. Okay, it's not that Sar is typing. I need not do anything. It means that somebody is eating and your stomach will not be full. Okay, so you have to write. It's not that I am learning. You are the learner. Okay, I hope that everybody will write this. Okay, everybody will copy. Arjunasya janakaha Panduhu asti. Arjun's father was is. Again is. Why is? Because here asti is given. Okay, Pandu. Arjun's father is Pandu. Okay, so that they are called Pandavas. Okay, Pandu's sons. That's why they are called Pandavas. Kalidasasya natakam Abhignana Shakuntalam. Kalidasa's drama Abhignana Shakuntalam. Abhignana Shakuntalam. Okay, Kalidasa's drama. Kalidasasya natakam. Kalidasa's drama or drama of Kalidasa. Abhignana Shakuntalam. Abhignana Shakuntalam is the drama of Kalidasa. Okay, he is the author. Okay, author. Kalidasa was the author. Okay, Janakasya putri Sita. Sita is the daughter of Janak. Okay, Janaka means father as well as Janak was the name. Okay, King Janak. Okay, then Niveditayaha Guruhu Vivekananda. Nivedita's guru was Vivekananda. You know Vivekananda? I think many of some of you know Vivekananda. Vivekananda. Okay, Vivekananda. Nivedita's guru. Okay, Sister Nivedita. She is a foreigner. She became a disciple of Vivekananda, and she became her name. She got changed her name as Nivedita. Okay, let me read this once again. Ramaha Dasharathasya putraha asti. Ram is the son of Dasharatha. Okay. Lakshmanaha Ramasya bhrata asti. Lakshman is brother of Ram. Brother of Ram. Or Ram's brother is Lakshman. You can write like this also. Krishnaha Vasudevasya putraha. Krishna is the son of Vasudeva. That's why it's called Vasudeva. Okay. Dasharatha, son of Dasharatha is called Dasharathi. Then shloka is, song is there, no? Karuna Jaladhe Dasharathe. Karuna Jaladhe Dasharathe. Song is there, right? Dasharathi. Next, Krishnaha Vasudevasya putraha. So that Dasharatha's son Dasharathi. Even Lakshman, Bharat, Shatrugna also Dasharathi. Okay, but when we say Dasharathi, it is mainly meant for Ram. Okay. Then Krishnaha Vasudevasya putraha. Son of Vasudeva. So Vasudeva is called Vasudeva. Son of Vasudeva is called Vasudeva. Vibhishanaha Ravanasya Anujaha. Vibhishana is the younger brother. Anuja. Anuja Jeshth. Okay. Anuja Agraja. Let me write. Please note down these words. Okay. These words are useful to you. Note. Okay. Where shall I write? Let me type here. I don't want to spoil Rama's personality. Anujaha. Anujaha Agraja. Okay. Jeshtaha Kanishta. Okay. I can do it. First two words, elder brother. Anujaha, Agraja. Okay? Both are elder brothers. Elder brothers. Elder brothers. Okay? Down, both the words are younger brothers. Okay? Anuja. Sorry. There it is changed. Okay? Anujaha Kanishta. Agrajaha Jeshta. Okay? See here. Agrajaha Jeshtaha elder brother. Okay? Elder brother. Okay? Kanishtaha Anujaha. That's why Rama Anujaha, Rama Anujaha. This is Rama Anujaha. Rama Anujaha, Rama Anujaha, Rama Anujaha. Yeah. Swami Ramanuja. Otherwise, even Lakshmana also called Ramanuja. Pranamam Lakshmana Munihi. Vighanna Sumamakam. Pranamam Lakshmana Munihi. Lakshmana Muni. Yare? Ramanuja. Lakshmana Muni, Lakshmananum Ramanuja. Nala Ramanujan ne Tirunamam. Rama Anujaha, Ramanujaha. Rama Anujaha, see Anujaha Vengatha. Rama Anujaha. Ramanuja. We say Lakshmana is Ramanuja. Even Bharata also Ramanuja. Shatrugna also Ramanuja. Both are Ramanujas. All three are Ramanujas only. But specifically, Ramanuja, we know that Lakshmana is Ramanuja. Okay. And after that, we know. Okay. So Anujaha. Okay. Where it is? Vibhishanaha Ravanasya Anujaha. Vibhishana was younger brother of Ravana. Karnasya Guruhu Parshuramaha. Karna's Guru Parshurama. Okay. Even Bhishma, Drona, Karna, all three learned from Parshurama. Okay. You all know who is Parshurama. Ashwatthama, Kalivyasaha, Hanuman Jambavan Sata, Kripascha Parashuramascha, Saptaite Chiranjivinaha. Parshurama avataram theriyuma? Krodha, Samadak, Nibhishana. Idhillaya neenga solreenga. Adha Dashavataarathula edana avataram? Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parashurama. ஆறாவது அவதாரம் ஆவேஷ அவதாரம் பேர். பரசுராம கர்ணஸ்ய குரு பரசுராம. அதுக்கப்புறம் நடந்தது ராமாவதாரம். ராமாவதாரத்திலையும் வந்தார் பரசுராமன். கிருஷ்ணாவதாரம் அந்த சமயத்துல மகாபாரதம் நடக்கிறது இல்லையா, மகாபாரதத்திலையும் பரசுராமன் வர சிரஞ்சீவி. பெருமாளுடைய ஆவேஷ அவதாரமா இருந்தாலும் அவர் வந்து சிரஞ்சீவியா. Karnasya Guru Parashurama. Karna's Guru was Parashurama. Arjunasya Janakaha Panduhu. Arjunasya Janakaha. Father of Arjun is Pandu. That's why they are called Pandavas. Kalidasasya Natakam. Drama of Kalidas. Abhigyana Shakuntalam. It's a beautiful poetry. Okay, wonderful drama. Okay, you all have to learn Sanskrit thoroughly, and you have to read Shakuntalam, because the reading translation will not be worthy. Okay, say I want to taste honey, I want to know the real taste of honey. Can you see the word and get the taste? Honey written somewhere. Can you get the taste? I can't. I see the photo of honey, a beautiful, very high resolution camera, and beautifully printed in 3D also. But you can get the effect, but you will not get the taste. Right? When will you get the taste? When will you get the taste? Only when you taste it. So learn Sanskrit. There are a lot of beautiful things are there in Sanskrit. Sampradayam, lot of Sampradaya works are there. Apart from the beautiful literature, wonderful literature, scientific literature, because you people are the next generation, okay, of our culture. You can find out new things from Sanskrit. So many things are there in the scientific methods are available even in Mahabharata and Ramayana. Those things you have to bring out to the world. For that you have to learn Sanskrit. And also to enjoy the beauty. Shakuntalam, like books like Shakuntalam you have to read. Okay, Shakuntalam, Kalidasasya Sarvasya. Of everything of Kalidas. So this is a wonderful poet. Beautiful poet. Okay, Kalidasasya Natakam Abhigyana Shakuntalam. Then Janakasya Putri Sita, daughter of Janak, is Sita. That's why she is called Janaki. Okay. Janaki Ramana. You say no? Rama is called Janaki Ramana. Then Niveditayaha Guruhu Vivekananda. Niveditayaha Guruhu Vivekananda. Vivekananda, Guru of Nivedita. Okay. So now I'll teach you the next part. Then you all will read. Okay. Time is there? Okay. I do one thing. You all read, then if time permits, Swami Adiyan, over 4% with meaning.
Adiyan. Ramah Dasharathasya putrah asti. Rama is the son of Dasharatha. Lakshmanah Ramasya bhrata asti. Lakshmana is the brother of Ram. Krishnah Vasudevasya putrah asti. Krishna is the son of Vasudeva. Vibhishanah रावणस्य अनुजः अस्ति. विभीषण is the younger brother of Ravana. कर्णस्य गुरुः परशुरामः. Karna's guru was Parashurama. अर्जुनस्य जनकः पाण्डुः अस्ति. Arjun's father is Pandu. कालिदासस्य नाटकम् अभिज्ञानशाकुन्तलम्. Kalidasa's drama अभिज्ञानशाकुन्तलम्. जनकस्य पुत्री सीता अस्ति. सीता is the daughter of Janak. निवेदितायाः गुरुः विवेकानन्दः. Nivedita's guru was Vivekananda. रामः दशरथस्य पुत्रः अस्ति. राम is the son of Dasharatha. लक्ष्मणः रामस्य भ्राता अस्ति. लक्ष्मण is the brother of Ram. कृष्णः वसुदेवस्य पुत्रः अस्ति. कृष्ण is the son of Vasudeva. विभीषणः रावणस्य अनुजः अस्ति. विभीषण is the younger brother of Ravana. कर्णस्य गुरुः परशुरामः. Karna's guru was Parashurama. अर्जुनस्य जनकः पाण्डुः अस्ति. Arjun's father is Pandu. कालिदासस्य नाटकम् अभिज्ञानशाकुन्तलम्. Kalidasa's drama अभिज्ञानशाकुन्तलम्. जनकस्य पुत्री सीता अस्ति. सीता is the daughter of Janak. निवेदितायाः गुरुः विवेकानन्दः. Nivedita's guru was Vivekananda.
नमस्कारम् अडियन्. रामः दशरथस्य पुत्रः अस्ति. राम is son of Dasharatha. लक्ष्मणः रामस्य भ्राता अस्ति. Lakshman is the brother of Ram. कृष्णः वसुदेवस्य पुत्रः अस्ति. Krishna is son of Vasudev. विभीषणः रावणस्य अनुजः अस्ति. Vibhishana is the younger brother of Ravana. कर्णस्य गुरुः परशुरामः. Karna's guru was Parashurama. अर्जुनस्य जनकः पाण्डुः अस्ति. Arjuna's father is Pandu. कालिदासस्य नाटकम् अभिज्ञानशाकुन्तलम्. Kalidas drama अभिज्ञानशाकुन्तलम्. जनकस्य पुत्री सीता अस्ति. Sita is the daughter of Janak. निवेदितायाः गुरुः विवेकानन्दः. Nivedita's guru was Vivekananda. Adiyan Dhanyasmi.
Now, next set of sentences. Okay. Kausalyayaha patihi. Now, Strilinga. Okay. Practice of Strilinga and Shakti. Kausalyayaha patihi Dasharatha. Subhadrayaha patihi Arjuna. Ahalyayaha patihi Gautama. Maharshi Gautama. Okay. Ayodhyayaha Raja Rama. Umayaha Putraha Ganapatihi. Kakasya Varnaha Krishnaha. Hamsasya Varnaha Shvetaha. Ghasasya Varnaha Haritaha. Akashasya Varnaha Neelaha. Okay, now, mean. Kausalyayaha patihi. Pati means husband. Okay. Kausalya, husband. Okay. Kausalya's husband was or is, you can write anything, just it's left Dasharatha. Dasharatha. Okay. Dasharatha. Then Subhadrayaha patihi Arjuna. You know Subhadra? Subhadra's husband, okay, was Arjuna. Subhadra, you know, Krishna's younger sister. Okay. If you go to Puri Jagannath, okay, you can see. If you see the idol of Puri Jagannath, who will be there? 3 idols will be there. One is Balram, another side is Krishna. In the middle, there will be one small Okay, there is Subhadra. Okay, only one place she is there with Krishna. Ahalyayaha patihi Gautamaha. Ahalya's husband was Gautam. Okay? Gautam. Ahalya. You remember Ramayana, story of Ramayana. She was the mode of disappears. What is it? Without form, she was there in the form of somebody tell that she is in the form of stone or dust. when Rama stepped in, when Rama's leg was hit, then the stone became Ahalya. Okay, Ahalya was one of the chastiest women. Ahalya, Draupadi, Tara, Sita, Mandodari. These are Mandodari, not Mandodari. All say that Mandodari, not Mandodari. she is Mandodari. Mandodari, Mayasutam, Hariniya, Dashanana, Mandodari. Mandam, Mudram, Yasyaha, Sa, Mandodari. Mandodari means, a small waist, one who has small waist. Okay. Ahalyayaha patihi Gautamaha. Ahalya. So five ladies among the 5 chaste Patni. Ayodhyayaha Raja Rama. Ayodhya's king was Rama. Was or is. Okay. Rama. What is Ayodhya? What is the meaning of Ayodhya? Ayodhya means nobody can conquer it. Na yodhum shakya. Ayodhya. Nobody can conquer that. Such a powerful lineage of kings were there. Such a powerful king. So Umayaha, Ayodhyayaha Raja Rama. Ayodhya's king was Rama. Umayaha Putraha Ganapati. Ganapati. Umayaha Putraha. Uma's son or son of Uma. Uma's son was Uma's son was Ganapati. Next. Kakasya Varnaha Krishna. Crow's color. Crow's color was black. Hamsasya Varnaha Shvetaha. White, you can write like this also. White is the color of swan. White is the color of swan. You can say of swan. See that how the sentence changes. See that. Ghasasya Varnaha Haritaha. Color of grass is green. Color of grass is green. Color of grass is green. Ghasa. Ghasa means grass. Okay. Ghasasya varnaha haritaha. Akashasya varnaha neelaha. Color of sky. Color of the sky. Yes, blue. See, blue. Neelaha is blue as well as black. Okay. Blue or black. Blue or black. Neelaha means it's common, but here blue. We don't see the sky in black color, we see in blue color. So Neelaha means blue color as well as black color, both. So now let me read. Kausalyayaha patihi Dasharatha. Kausalya's husband was Dasharatha. Dasharatha was husband of Kausalya. Anyway. Subhadrayaha patihi Arjuna. Subhadra's husband was Arjuna. Ahalyayaha patihi Gautamaha. Ahalya's husband was Gautama. Ayodhyayaha Raja Ramaha. Ayodhya's king was Rama. Umayaha Putraha Ganapatihi. Uma's son was Ganapati. Even Kartikeya also. Uma's Putra. Umayaha Putraha Kartikeya. Muruga. They say no Muruga. Kakasya Varnaha Krishnaha. crow's color was black. Who was son of Vishnu? You know? Any guess? Question and session is there, you tell me. Don't ask anybody. If you know, you tell me. Kakasya varnaha Krishnaha. Crow's color was black. Amsasya varnaha Shvetaha. White is the color of swan. Or swan's color is white. Ghasasya, even black also there, I have seen. Those who are in Canada and London, UK, you can see swans. Ghasasya varnaha Haritaha. Color of the grass is green. Akashasya varnaha Neelaha. Color of the sky is blue. Neelaha means blue or black. Okay? Now, Swami Hare.
Kausalya's patihi Dasharatha. Kausalya's husband was Dasharatha. Subhadraya's patihi Arjunaha. Subhadra's husband was Arjun. Ahalyaya's patihi Gautamaha. Ahalya's husband was Gautam. Ayodhyaya's Raja Ramaha. Ayodhya's king was Ram. Umaya's putraha Ganapatihi. Uma's son was Ganapati. Kakasya varnaha Krishnaha. Crow's color was black. Hamsasya varnaha Shvetaha. White is the color of swan. Ghasasya varnaha Haritaha. Color of grass is green. Akashasya varnaha Neelaha. Color of the sky is blue or black. Adiyan Dhanyosmi.
Ariyan Namaskaram. Kausalyayaha pitaha Dasharatha. Kausalya's husband was Dasharatha. Okay. Subhadrayaha patihi Arjunaha. Subhadra. Adiyan?
Now you can read.
Subhadra's husband was Arjunaha. Ahalyayaha patihi Gautamaha. Ahalya's husband was Gautama. Ayodhyayaha Raja Ramaha. Ayodhya's king was Rama. Umayaha putraha Ganapatihi. Uma's son was Ganapati. Kakasya varnaha Krishnaha. Crow's color was black. Hamsasya varnaha Shvetaha. White color of swan. Ghasasya varnaha Haritaha. Color of grass is green. Akashasya varnaha Neelaha. Color of sky is blue or black.
44. Q&A இருந்தா
Adiyan, நம்ம வந்து அக்ரஜः ज्येष्ठः elder brother, அப்புறம் கனிஷ்ठः अनुजः younger brother. Adiyan, भ्राताவும் younger brother ஆகா இல்லையா?
இல்ல, பிராத்தானா என்ன அர்த்தம் அப்படின்னா பிரதர்னு எல்லாரும் எடுத்துக்கிறா. அது என்னன்னு சொல்றேன். பிராத்தா சகோதரா, இது ரெண்டுத்துலயும் வித்தியாசம் இருக்கு. ஓகே, இப்போ ராமன் பரதன், யூனோ ராமன், யூனோ பரதன், யூனோ சத்ருக்னன், யூனோ லக்ஷ்மணன், 4 are there. இதுல ராமன் பரதன் லக்ஷ்மணன், ராமன் பரதன் லக்ஷ்மணன், இல்லைன்னா ராமன் பரதன் சத்ருக்னன், இவா 3 பேரும் பிராத்தா. ஓகே, சகோதரன் வந்து ஒன்லி ராமன் லக்ஷ்மணன் அண்ட் சத்ருக்னன் சகோதரன். நல்லா புரிஞ்சுங்க. பிராத்தாக்கு என்னன்னா அப்பா ஒருத்தர், அம்மா வேற வேற. சகோதரன்னா ஒரே அம்மாவுக்கு பிறந்துடும்.
சகோதரா மீன்ஸ் ட்வின்ஸ்.
ரெண்டுத்துக்குமே பிரதர் தான் பேரு. சகோதரனாலும் பிரதர் தான், பிராத்தானாலும் பிரதர் தான். பட் பிராத்தானா என்ன அர்த்தம்னா அப்பா ஒருத்தர் அம்மா வேற வேற. ஓகே, ராமனுக்கும் லக்ஷ்மணனுக்கும் அம்மா வேற வேற இல்லையா?
ஆமா அடியன்.
அப்பா ஒருத்தர் தானே
அடியன்.
கரெக்டா? சகோதரன், சகோதரன்றது என்னன்னாக்க சத்ருக்னனும் லக்ஷ்மணனும் ரெண்டு பேருமே சுமித்திரைக்கு பிறந்தவாங்க. அதனால அவ ரெண்டு பேரும் சகோதரன். ராமனும் லக்ஷ்மணனும் சகோதரன் கிடையாது. ராமனும் லக்ஷ்மணனும் பிராத்தாரா.
அடியன் அடியன் இன்னொரு டவுட். அடியன் அடியன் இன்னொரு டவுட். அடியன் லாஸ்ட் சம்ஸ்கிருதத்துல ஆரஞ்சுக்கு என்ன சொல்லுவாடி?
ஆரஞ்சுக்கு ஓடலாம் இல்ல, புதுசா இவ கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கா. நாரங்கான்னு ஒண்ணு கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கா. அவ்வளவுதான். அதுதான்
அடியன் இல்ல அடியன், ஆரஞ்சு கலர் அடியன்.
அதுதான் நாரங்கா. அவ்வளவுதான். அதுதான் யூஸ் பண்றாங்க. ஆரஞ்சுக்கு இதுதான் யூஸ் பண்றது.
अरे अपन लास्ट सेंटेंस आकाशः वर्णः नीलः कृष्णः.
आकाशस्य वर्णः.
अरे आकाशस्य वर्णः नीलः कृष्णः.
कृष्णः कृष्णः ना only black. Remember, कृष्णः ना only black.
अरे
okay, नीलः ना blue black, blue and black.
अरे
yeah.
ಏನಪ್ಪ ನೀಲಃ ನಾರಂಗಃ ಅಥವಾ
नारंगस्य वर्णः नारंगस्य वर्णः पीतः. ऑरेंज कलर इज येलो और नारंगस्य वर्णः नारंग वर्णः. पीत वर्णः ना इदु येलो. ओके வேற
ஆனா என்னது ஆகாஷ ராய அப்படின்னு என்ன அடியேன் கீழே
आकाशस्य वर्णः नीलः. आकाशस्य न ऑफ द स्काई. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ? आकाशस्य न ऑफ द स्काई. ओके, वर्णः न कलर, नीलः न ब्लू. आकाशस्य वर्णः color of the sky, of the sky. आकाशस्य. Okay.
Okay.
Next. வாய்ஸ் சரியில்லை. யாரோ பேசுறீங்க, வாய்ஸ் சரியில்லை. அகைன் இல்ல
வித்யுத் குரல் வாய்ஸ் சரியா வரல. நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்ல கேட்கலாம் ஃப்ரைடே இன்னைக்கு. ரிமெம்பர் தி டவுட் இன் ஆஸ்க் அகைன் and I think the connection is not audience.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. सर्वस्तरदुर्गाणि सर्वो भद्राणि पश्यतु, सर्वकामान् प्राप्नोतु, सर्वत्र नन्दतु. ओम शांति शांति शांति. पुनर्मिलामः. धन्यवादः. शुभरात्रिः. पुनर्मिलामः.